I know I said to come to Zoom, but I think it would be easier if I just explained it to you privately and then you worked during period four. I will be available in Google Chats if you want to talk to me during period four. Um, but I just think setting up Zoom and having the kids might be a bit distracting. So let me explain what you need to do. I graded your assessment. It turns out you did not meet the expectations. However, I did promise everyone would get a three. So, in order to get a three, I've put you into a category. I'll explain your category and what you need to do. You have as much time as you need to do this. However, next class, we're also starting cells in our new unit. So, if you don't complete it today or this week, the work might pile up. Okay? So it's called remediation. Physics 3.1 is the standard. And you're going to open up the assignment in Google Classroom. Okay, find your name, Camila here. Okay, you're going to open it up. And you're going to put your name first. And then you have to highlight one of your categories that I found you. I found you to be a will student. And I'll explain what this means. So just highlight that, okay? If you're a will student, you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom, which is the checklist here. Each group has a checklist of things to do. Yours is the will students. And this says, this group is for people who did not complete past homework with effort and did not make corrections to their checkpoint 1 and checkpoint 2 assessment. This is how I determined you as a will student because you didn't do corrections to checkpoint 1 and checkpoint 2. Your teacher feels that these students can learn from the goals of the unit, but for whatever reason failed to put in the effort necessary to be successful. Next week, the administration will take will students out of the PLT to babysit so that you can complete your work. Okay, you're just a will student for this assessment doesn't mean you're always a will student. Will meaning that I don't think it's a skill issue. I think you're very smart. I just think that there was an effort issue in the first unit, and mainly because of this missed corrections from checkpoint 1 and checkpoint 2 assessment. So what do you have to do? You have to do everything on this list. So go back first, you have to do this first, second, third, all the way till you're done. Go back to checkpoint 1, look at the feedback and make corrections. Checkpoint 2, okay? Then it says complete all work above and below. So the work above is this work here. Watch the video, answer questions 1 to 5, okay? And below is here. The below part is here, okay? Watch the video, answer the math questions, and this question here, okay? And then keep going. You'll see the checklist. Once you do them all, then you turn it in and email me privately saying that you've completed your corrections, you've completed the feedback from the checkpoints, you've had people check your work, etc., etc., etc. Okay? And then when you're done that, you email me, period 5 or period 4, Camila, completed corrections complete, and then I will go back in and I will grade this document first, and then I'll grade your assessment. Okay? Hopefully that helps. Please do this during science time, and thank you for emailing me so that I could get this video ready for you today. Okay? Bye, Camila.